check the viscosity on this batch.
Looks good. We can start the pour now.
Bring it in slow, a little more to the left.
Got it. Watch the side.
Doors are clear. Looks good. Ready to unload. All right, lift it steady. Got it. Moving forward. Clear on the right. Setting down now. All right, take it slow to the shelving. Got it. Steady. Okay, stop here. Let's get it shelved. Okay, starting with the key light.
Got it. Adjusting the fill now.
Looks good. Let's check the angles.
These mannequin shots are crisp. Let's check the side angles.
Agreed. The lighting is even. Zooming in.
Hold on, is that a small shadow on the arm? Good eye. Okay, selecting the mannequin images for the post. Caption added. Uploading now. Perfect, it's live. Yes, we have the XYZ shirt in stock. The price is $49.99. You're welcome. Goodbye.
Grab the next batch from the lower rack. Got it. Moving this one now. Good. Stacked neatly for shipment. Will do. Export invoice and manifest are ready for review. Verifying quantities and weights now. All right, let's get these doors secured. Ready. Push. Lining up the seal. Locked. Seal is set. Okay, mannequins are aligned.
Adjusting the spotlights now.
Perfect. Now for the banners.
All set. Welcome. Let me show you our latest collection.
This fabric is our premium blend, very durable.
Impressive. What about the fit?
As you can see, these are ideal for bulk orders. The quality looks excellent. What are the lead times? For 500 units, we can do 4 weeks.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Hello, we have a meeting with Mr. Thompson.
Of course.
The map shows our strong Asia presence.
Yes, but we need to expand in Europe.
The growth charts support that. Let's check this batch's flexibility.
Agreed. The microscope is ready.
Viscosity looks stable.
Good. Record the data.
Let's test the knee joints range.
The diagram shows full 180-degree rotation.
Applying torque now.
Initiating scan for texture consistency.
Readings look stable. Proceed with full sweep.
Scan complete. Consistency is optimal.
Thank you for joining us. Today, we unveil our new mannequin line. With adjustable poses and eco materials, it's a game changer. Let's discuss opportunities.